Welcome to our channel Adhyapan. Today we are going to learn how you can create worksheets using Canva. So go to Google Chrome, type canva.com. Once you are on Canva, log in into your account from any email ID that you have used and go to templates. Under templates, you will see education, and in education, click on worksheets. Once you are in worksheet, you will see different types of templates of mathematics, English, social science, and there are different for different grades, for different subjects. You will see all different types of templates which you can edit, and most of them are free. So what I'll do is I will choose math as a filter, and I will also choose free so that I get all the free templates here. And as per my subject, I will choose the template. So once you click on any of the template, you can click on use this template, and you will come into the editing part of it. And editing is very easy. So whichever part of the worksheet you want to edit, you just have to click and select that part and change it as per your requirement. So here I don't want to use candy jars. I want to use my student name. So I will write Abhi's candy jar. So I've selected that part and I've edited it. Same thing, you want to change any of the description of the template, or you want to remove completely, you can do that. You can add your own description. So just delete the whole part and add your description as per your students' understanding. So the whole template is editable. You can edit everything or any part of this template. You can change the images. How you can add more images, I'll tell you in a bit. Once this worksheet is ready, you don't want to make any changes, you can click on download on the top right corner and save it in your system. Once this is saved, you can send it to your students via WhatsApp or SMS, any communication channel that you're using to communicate with your students. You can do that. Now this was just one page. I want to add another page. What I've done is I've clicked on add page just below that worksheet, and I can add different kinds of elements to it. Now elements are any images or text box or any kind of shape that you want to add. So now I will add some cats and dogs pictures so that my students can count and add the total of it. So I just search cat in the elements tab and click 2-3 times so that I get 4 pictures of cat. Now to resize, just drag from the corner of that image and make it either small or large as per your requirement, as per your worksheet. Now I want to add another picture of dog, so I'll search dog and I'll choose the picture which I like the most, and again I'll click 2-3 times to duplicate the same image. And again, to resize this, I just click on the corner of the image and drag it either to a smaller size or to a bigger size. Now to add text, on the left hand side you will see a text tab, and there are different versions of or sizes of text are available that you can add. Small size, medium and large. I chose the smaller one. You can choose as per your requirement, and type either the detail or the question what you want to ask from the students. So I've added number of cats. Now to duplicate it, I will select it, and on top you will see 3 buttons, and there is a duplicate button. Just duplicate it. Why? So that I don't have to type it again and again, and it creates faster worksheets. Now I want to add one more line. So in elements, I'll go back and I search for line, and whichever line you want to create, just select that and just bring it down to your text. I'll copy paste again. I'll just duplicate it. You can do Control C and Control V also after selecting the element, and that's it. Your worksheet is ready to download. So you can either download all the pages, or you can just download one page. Same thing, save it as a PDF file and send it to your students. So it's very easy. You can create different types of worksheets in like 2 minutes once you get a hang of it. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.